Secret Laugh Story. Once upon a time, in a small town nestled deep within the enchanted forest, there was a secret laughter club. This club consisted of a group of individuals who believed in the power of laughter and its ability to bring joy, healing, and a touch of magic to the world. The club was founded by an eccentric but kind-hearted old woman named Gertrude. She had spent her life studying the ancient art of laughter and believed that laughter held the key to unlocking happiness and creating harmony among people. Gertrude had a contagious laugh that could brighten even the gloomiest of days, and she wanted to share this gift with others. Underneath the shade of an ancient oak tree, Gertrude gathered a diverse group of people who shared her passion for laughter. There was Samuel, a shy young man with a hidden talent for puns, Martha, a mischievous jester with a knack for physical comedy, Sophia, a wise old sage who believed in the healing power of laughter, and Felix, a musical prodigy who could turn ordinary words into melodious laughter. Every week, the Secret Laughter Club would meet in a hidden glade, away from prying eyes and the mundane worries of everyday life. They would engage in various laughter exercises and games, sharing jokes, funny stories, and silly antics. The laughter echoed through the forest, creating an atmosphere of pure joy and delight. Word of the Secret Laughter Club began to spread throughout the town, and curious townsfolk became eager to discover the source of the laughter that wafted through the trees. They would follow the sounds, but no matter how close they got, they could never find the hidden glade. One day, a skeptical journalist named Emily caught wind of the Secret Laughter Club. Determined to uncover the truth, she embarked on a quest to find the laughter that had captivated the town. Emily searched high and low, interviewing villagers and following rumors, until one day, she stumbled upon a hidden trail that led her to the enchanted forest. As Emily followed the trail deeper into the forest, she could hear the distant laughter growing louder and more infectious. Finally, she arrived at the secret glade, where the Laughter Club was in the midst of their weekly gathering. Emily watched in awe as the group shared their laughter, their joy filling the air and touching everyone's hearts. Caught in the magic of the moment, Emily couldn't help but join in. The club welcomed her with open arms, and soon her laughter mingled with theirs, creating a symphony of pure bliss. From that day forward, Emily became a dedicated member of the Secret Laughter Club, spreading laughter and happiness throughout the town with her newfound friends. And so, the Secret Laughter Club continued to thrive, bringing laughter, healing, and a touch of magic to all those who were lucky enough to stumble upon their hidden glade. Their laughter echoed through the enchanted forest, spreading joy far and wide, reminding everyone that sometimes, the best secret to happiness lies in a simple, heartfelt laugh.